Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Ros Azina binti Cik Lamin. I am from Faculty of Pharmacy, Universiti Teknologi Mara, Cawangan Pulau Pinang, Kampus Bertam. Today we would like to share with you our innovation product, which is ReWasCO liquid soap. ReWasCO is stand for the Recycle Waste Cooking Oil Liquid Soap. For the introduction, waste cooking oil or WCO is the liquid residue from used cooking oil. It is one of the problems in domestic waste disposal in Malaysia. According to Long et al. 2006, WCO was produced daily by home, restaurant and caterers. Therefore, this causes the accumulation of WCO of about 500,000 tons annually in Malaysia. Most of the WCO was disposed through domestic drainage such as sink, drains and toilet. This led to environmental issues which resulted in water and soil pollution, destruction of the marine ecosystem and drainage clogging. And our objective of this project was to innovate the WCO into multi-purpose liquid soap as it is one of the necessity of every home. Here is the material and method. First, about 500 grams of filtered WCO need to be treated with the active carbon. Then this WCO will be infused with the pandan and kaffir lime leaves. And next step, this WCO then was added with the calcium hydroxide to make it as a base of soap. And then this will be homogenized. And finally, water need to be added to this base. And lastly, this is the final product of the ReWasCO soap, liquid soap. For the findings, the total yield of liquid soap from this project about 3,700 ml, which originated from the 500 gram of WCO. There is no unpleasant odor from this WCO liquid soap, even though no artificial fragrance was used in this product. The characteristic of odor, visual, color, viscosity, cleaning effectiveness, and overall product acceptance were assessed. Ini ReWasCO liquid. Ini kotoran hasil minyak goreng. Kita cuci. Menggunakan ReWasCO soap. Hasilnya sangat bersih. Figure 1 shows the acceptance level of ReWasCO liquid soap among 20 of respondents. From the 20 of respondents, about 80 to 70% have rated as very good for overall acceptance of the ReWasCO and cleaning effectiveness of the ReWasCO. This table 1 shows the liquid soap raw material cost comparison for the 3,700 ml soap volume. The finding shows that the ReWasCO offered the lowest cost compared to the palm oil and the olive oil based soap. Let's say for 900 ml of the liquid soap, ReWasCO only costs about 1.74 ringgit Malaysia, followed by olive oil and palm oil based soap around 4 ringgit, 4.78 ringgit Malaysia and 3.15 ringgit Malaysia respectively. Meanwhile, the commercial liquid soap was sold at 6.50 cents ringgit Malaysia per 900 ml. For the conclusion, the ReWasCO liquid soap from the combination of WCO and local plant, which is we use here is the pandan and kaffir lime leaf, has contributed to new novel recycled product because very limited product available from the pandan and kaffir lime leaf in the market. The ReWasCO liquid soap can also offer low-cost washing soap and may save our drainage system and marine ecosystem for environmental well-being. Thank you very much from our team.